Here is how to quickly optimize your microphone using OBS. First of all, make sure you are speaking to the front of your microphone. Set your microphone gain so you stay on the yellow and stay away from the red. Download VST plugin. It will replace the default OBS filters. This video is all about those audio filters. First filter is noise suppression. Can you hear it? Can you now? Second filter is a noise gate. Third filter is a noise gate invert. Fourth filter is compressor. Nothing to whispers. Even so, when I'm speaking quietly, the volume is going to be more or less the same. Fifth filter is EQ. Aim for a balanced frequency spectrum. What you will hear before is a boomy and woolly low-end voice. Big bass drums rumble below the room. Now we fix it with EQ, check this. Big bass drums rumble below the room. Clean and tight bass. Over here it's a lot of muddy and thickness. Muddy boot stomps across soggy wood. Muddy boot stomps across soggy wood. Buzzing bee over low in the valley. Buzzing bees over low in the valley. Humming horns fills the open hole. Humming horns fills the open hole. Nasal note snags sharply. Nasal note snags sharply. Tight in taps test the tone. Tight in taps test the tone. 10 states talk tricky tales. 10 states talk tricky tales. Clean consents carry clear. Clean consents carry clear. Sally sells shiny seashells. Sally sells shiny seashells. Angel sings in sparkling silence. Angel sings in sparkling silence. This is my personal EQ that I use. You can get your personal EQ by record your raw voice for each frequency, export it to MP3 and send it to ChatGPT. Apply the EQ filters, repeat the process one more time. Use additional EQ for high and low pass. Add a little gain, we lost so much. Use the limiter to save your audience ears. And lastly, audio monitoring should be turned off. Thanks for watching.